Ready, Jake?
Yeah. How we doing tonight? What's good? Alrighty. Can't believe this didn't get rained out. How cool is it we didn't, it was fucking cool. I stuck around, I was worried. It all worked out in the end. All's well that ends well. Goddamn. So, I don't know how you guys feel about lesbians, but lesbians don't like me that much. They go one of two ways with me. The butch ones tend to not like me because I think they worry I'm going to steal the femme one. So I kind of have the body of a woman, but I come with the strap on. You know? They're like, stay away from my man. Relax, Patty Mans. Yeah. The other thing I've been thinking about is, fuck, I'm paranoid. You guys smoke weed? No? Nobody smokes weed? No.
Speak up!
Oh, my bad. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
My bad.
Go
I
back to
wasn't
the
projecting.
lesbian joke.
I do the lesbian joke again? Alright, hell yeah. You guys are great. Here we go. Alright. You guys can hear me now?
A little better.
Little better? Okay, cool. Alrighty. Where was I? Oh yeah, I think I've mentioned before I'm Jewish. We got any Jews out here tonight? Statistically unlikely. It's a safe space, guys. Anyway, being Jewish is fun. It's you know, it's kind of like having a superpower or being a supervillain, more like. You know, people are like, you know, we're sort of like these spider people. We got our hands running Congress, you know, helping to fucking run the economy. My sister, she works for a congressman, and then my brother, no joke, works for the World Bank. I'm like, Jews don't run the economy, and I'm like, well, some of them do. Okay. I got my Trump Force Ones on. Just kidding, they're knockoffs. I would never give him money. He will not be named Voldemort. Oh shit. Oh man. We don't have those fire things on tonight. What the fuck with those? What anime is that? You guys like anime?
But I feel like a lot of like,
Oh yeah. It's like a different one every time. I'm too much of a pothead to follow like a lot of them, especially when they're like 6,000 episodes. You guys ever watch One Punch Man? That shit is like so long. It's quite an investment. But yeah, the other thing I was thinking about is yeah, I've been thinking a lot about, you know, pot is kind of funny. It's a good drug, but then, you know, then you forget what you're talking about. There's a lot of memory shit with that. You know, I also don't have any object permanence. I've sort of become like a dog on some level. Like, I don't see people for a couple days, and I think it's been like weeks or months. Where'd you go, dude? It's scary. People have to like come back in my life. I'm like, oh, I thought they died. I didn't see you for like it's tough. Oh man. People say we don't make things in this country anymore, but we're still number one in some things, like diabetes, school shootings. We still make things in this country. It's true. USA, USA. Oh fuck, is it right? Oh, it is, it's goddamn. You guys fuck with, we got, I recently became sober. You guys, any sober people here? No one? No one sober? Okay. I stopped drinking this last year. It's, it's kind of fun to be sober, but it's sort of weird at a bar. Like, I don't know. You go to comedy and people are like, "Why aren't you drinking?"
He's like, no, she's coming over and out. Like, these are two like rational women.
Yeah, so being Jewish is cool. I've got a lot of family members that are pretty funny. Like my grandma, we went out to the restaurant today, and she was complaining. She was like, the food was terrible and the portions were so small. I'm like, Grandma, pick one. This thing's cancel each other out. So two Jewish women are eating in a bar, and the waiter comes up to them and is like, ladies, is anything all right?
And then we were like her birthday, and then they let us like
It's tough. I tip like 4,000% because people have this stigma that Jews being cheap. Tip your bartenders.
it's around. I was also 16.
Yeah.
Well, because I literally
Speaking of tips, circumcision's kind of funny. There's a job in Judaism just to circumcise people. It's called being a lawyer. And this rabbi is asking Moyle, like, what do you make? And Moyle goes, I just keep the tips. Yeah, no, I mean, that goes over less well at synagogue.
he's just like a demon.
My man. It's a fun night when somebody's laughing from the back of the kitchen. Thank you. That's a hell of a beard, bro. How long have you been growing that? Birth, yeah. Dude, that's sick. You gotta get on the next season of Vikings. Or Sons of Anarchy, one of the two. That's a good one. I've got a very patchy beard. I kind of have Asian facial hair. It just grows in really patchy. I also have an Asian stomach. I got allergic to alcohol, allergic to dairy. Got an Asian penis too. I'm 6 foot tall, so people are expecting a lot more than you're getting. What Pete Davidson is going through. Anyway, that's my time for tonight. I'm Jake Englander. Thanks, guys.